Hey everyone! Alright, today's video is going to be over markups and discounts. So your objective, I will apply percent knowledge to calculate markup and discount. So a markup is going to be the percent that the price of an item increases. Some examples are tax and tip, and we've already worked with those, and you know that sales tax and tip, that is going to increase the total cost of something. And then other price increases, such as a retail store marking up the price of an item of clothing. So the whole idea with a markup is whatever cost you start with, it's going to get bigger from there. So the opposite of that would be a discount. So that's going to be the percent by which the price of an item decreases. So we see discounts in stores when they have sales, any kind of coupon, any kind of clearance item, things like that. Those have been discounted. So a discount decreases the price of an item. Alright, so whenever we are working with markup and discount, we are still going to use a proportion. So we want to make sure we identify the percent, the part, and the whole, and one of those will be missing. So go ahead and label on your proportion. The percent, that's going to be the percent markup or discount. The part, that is going to be the amount of markup or discount. And then the whole, that's always going to be the original amount of money. So after we identify everything, we want to estimate and predict the answer. So basically we're just trying to figure out, should we expect a smaller answer or should we expect a larger answer? And then we're going to set up a proportion and solve. And of course, these are going to have to deal with money, so we want to make sure we round to the nearest cent if necessary. Alright, example 1. A gas station spends $2 for each bag of hot Cheetos. The bags are marked up 60% and then sold to customers. How much is the markup for a bag of hot Cheetos? Okay, so let's identify what they have given us. So they did give us a percent, 60%. The part would be the amount of money that this gets marked up, and we don't know that. That's what the question is asking for, so that's going to be what's missing. The whole is going to be the original cost for a bag of these hot Cheetos, and originally it's going to be $2, so I'm just going to put a 2. And keep in mind, this is a markup. So whatever amount we get, that means that that's going to increase the price by that much. So this specifically just wants to know what is the markup. So we're finding 60% of $2. So let's set up our proportion. The part over the whole is going to equal the percentage over 100. And now we're going to cross multiply. 100 times x would be 100x. 60 times 2 would be 120. And then I want to divide by 100 on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up over here. Okay, 100 cannot go into 1 and it cannot go into 12, but it can go into 120 one time. And I get 20 left over. I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. 100 goes into 200 2 times, and we would stop there. So that means that x equals 1.2, and since this is money, this would be $1.20. So it's a $1.20 markup. Okay, so our next question asks, what is the total price for a bag of hot Cheetos? So keep in mind that a markup means the price increases. So that means that we have to add the markup to the original. So we have the original plus the markup. So that means we're going to have $2 plus $1.20. So the new price of this bag would be $3.20. Okay, example 2. Target is having a sale on their $190 Beats headphones for 10% off. How much would the discount be? So let's identify what we have. They did give us a percent. The part would be the amount of discount. So how many dollars off would it be? We don't know that yet. That's missing. And the whole is the original price of the headphones. And that would be $190. Okay, now keep in mind, in this problem we have a discount. So a discount decreases the price of something. So let's set up our proportion. Part over whole equals the percent over 100. And I'll cross multiply. We have 100 times x. 190 times 10 would be 1,900. Okay, then I'm just going to divide by 100 on each side. I'm going to use the zero trick here, and I'm going to cross out a pair of zeros on the top and bottom until I can't do that anymore. And that would be the same as 19 divided by 1, which is 19. So if x equals 19, and this is money, that means that this would be a $19 discount. Now we want to know what is the new price of the headphones. So let's predict our answer. We know that a discount decreases the cost, so we can expect this final answer to be less than the original price. So I want to take the original price and I want to subtract that discount. So $190 headphones minus a $19 discount. I'm going to borrow here. So the new price of those headphones would be $171, and yes, that is less than the original price of $190. All right, example 3, we are trying to find the markup or discount rate. So the problem says Sophia buys a hoverboard that is on sale for $350. If the original price was $400, what percent discount did she get? So let's identify what we have. Okay, we don't know the percent. It did not tell us what percent discount, so that's what's missing. Okay, the part, that would be the amount of discount. Now I'm going to come back to that. Okay, remember the whole is going to be the original price. The original price was $400. Okay, now this $350, just because it's the other number does not mean it is the part. We have to be very careful with that, because the part, that is the amount of the dollar amount of discount. Okay, it wasn't discounted $350. It's saying that the new price was $350. So if it was originally $400 and then it dropped to $350, that means that the discount amount would have been $50. That would be the part. Now we can set up our proportion. Part over whole equals the percent over 100. And now I'm going to cross multiply. 400 times x is 400x. And 50 times 100 would be 5,000. And I'm going to divide by 400 on each side. And I'm going to come off to the side to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the zero rule. I can get rid of this pair and this pair. So now we really just have 50 divided by 4. Okay, 4 goes into 5 one time. and 4 goes into 10 2 times. So we have 2 left over. I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. So 4 is going to go into 20 5 times. So we get 12.5. Okay. And keep in mind, it asks what percent discount did she get. So this is a percent. So she got a 12.5% discount. Alright, here is your U-Try, so make sure that you follow all of the steps that you have seen in this video. Make sure you have everything recorded, and I will see you next class day.